Shortwave is a modern email client designed to make Gmail faster, smarter, and less overwhelming. Built by former Google engineers, it brings AI and productivity features directly into your inbox. One standout is the AI summarization. Instead of digging through long threads, Shortwave can instantly condense conversations into key points, saving you time. Its AI also drafts quick replies, helping you move through your inbox quick. Search is another big upgrade. Unlike Gmail's sometimes clunky filters, Shortwave uses natural language queries. You can type something like PDFs from last week or invoices from John, and it finds exactly what you need. On the productivity side, Shortwave treats email more like a chat app. Messages are grouped into conversations, so you can pin or snooze them, and there's a priority inbox to keep distractions low. It even includes built-in reminders and scheduling, making it feel like a lightweight productivity hub rather than just an inbox. The downside, it only works with Gmail accounts for now. And while there's a free tier, let's actually check the pricing right now. The business one is $24 per seat per month, $36 for the Premier, and Max, you get $100 if you got like a bigger business. Still, many users say it finally makes Gmail feel modern and manageable. So if you're drowning in email and want AI tools to cut the clutter, Shortwave is one of the most polished solutions available today.